Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll give you a quick and simple guide on how to get potions in Idle Cult Empire. So let's dive into it. Now, Idle Cult Empire is all about growing your cult through followers and idle resource generation. And one of the most important resources available are potions. Now, to unlock this, you must progress through the game and reach chapter 4. Once you do, you will unlock this idol right over here, the one that says 4 out of 10 in my case. And once you do that, you'll unlock the sources for you to generate more potions. So right now, as you can see, I'm still working my way through chapter 3 and eventually get to chapter 4 for me to be able to unlock this idol so I can get those potions. And basically, that's about it. Now you know how to get potions in Idle Cult Empire in just a few simple steps. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!